Our partner text this week is called Cave of the Crystals. This is a true story and it's a really neat place. If you have an opportunity, you might search it up a little bit on the internet, or Curiosity Stream, which we get through Amazon TV, has a great documentary about the Cave of Crystals. It's super interesting. Imagine yourself 1,000 feet underground, drilling a new tunnel in an old zinc and lead mine. Suddenly, your drill bursts through the rock wall. What you see takes your breath away. Huge crystals fill a cave from end to end, floor to ceiling. They shimmer like moonlight. But before you can explore the cave, you are hit with air as hot as a blast from a furnace. Two mine workers, Juan and Pedro Sanchez, discovered this amazing Cave of the Crystals in 2000 at the Nyaca mine in the state of Chihuahua, Mexico. They didn't stay long, for the intense heat drove them away. The mine owners put an iron door at the mouth of the cave. Scientists came to study the cave, but because of the heat, they could stay inside for only a few minutes at a time. Scientists found the crystals were made of selenite gypsum, a translucent light-colored mineral. The cave had just the right combination of minerals, water, and temperature to grow the crystals. The cave had once been filled with water, and heat from the Earth's core kept the water at about 136 degrees Fahrenheit. This heated water caused some of the crystals to grow 36 feet long, about as tall as a 3-story house. These are some of the largest natural crystals ever found. Another team of scientists is now exploring the whole cave, which is nearly as large as a basketball court. They had to invent special clothing and breathing equipment for their work. Now they can stay inside for up to an hour at a time. Water pumps keep the Nyaca mine from filling with water, but without water the crystals will not grow any larger. Should the owners stop pumping out water so that the caves will flood again and the crystals will grow even larger? Or should they keep on pumping out water so that people can visit the cave? What would you do? We're going to partner up for this activity, and you and your partner are going to decide together what stance you could take. And this is an opinion stance where you have to choose one side or the other. You can't say that you would like to close the mine for a while and then open it again later. I'm going to make you choose a side, and that is either you're agreeing that the owner should stop pumping out the water so the caves will flood again and the crystals will grow, or they should keep on pumping out the water so that people can visit the cave. So think about what repercussions there could be from both of those choices. And with your partner, make a decision on which side you want to defend. And we're going to talk about that more in our afternoon meeting. Now we have sensing the cave. Imagine a hike to the Cave of Crystals or another kind of cave. Think about the details your 5 senses would give you. On a separate sheet of paper, make a word web like the one on this page. Fill in each oval with sensory details for that sense. Below are 2 examples. Use your web to write a description of your hike. A description can include an idiom, a phrase whose meaning is different from the meanings of its words. Think about the idiom, takes your breath away. In the first paragraph of Cave of Crystals, discuss with a partner what that phrase means. So, together with your partner, you're going to go ahead and continue to fill out this chart, and you can see here that taste is filled out for you. So you're imagining that you're in a cave and you're going to fill out what you might taste, what you might touch. They have taste, they have salty trail mix that they must have brought with them. Okay, touch, they imagine touching wet rocks. Hear, what are the things you might hear when you were in a cave, or if you were in a cave? And sight, what are they seeing in this Cave of Crystals? And smell, what do you think the smell might be? What do you think some of the things they might smell would be? And then after you've filled these in, you and your partner can be finished with this activity, as we already have a writing assignment for this week.